Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've got the needle and thread ready. Immediately trim the thread tip to a neat point so it feeds cleanly. Next, hold the small loop of the threader and push its thin wire straight through the eye of the needle, front to back, because that keeps the threader stable. Once the wire is through, make sure the loop hangs free on the far side. This is your anchor point for pulling the thread without bending the needle or fraying the thread. Feed the trimmed thread tip into the threader loop about 1 to 2 centimeters so there's enough length to grip. Then, with steady pressure, pull the threader back through the eye. Do it slowly to avoid snagging, and keep the needle steady between your fingers to prevent wobble. If the thread is thick or frays, double the thread or rub a bit of wax along the tip first. This stiffens fibers and reduces drag, making the pull-through smooth and reliable each time. Once the thread is through, draw up enough length for your first stitch and give a gentle tug to seat the knot or start your anchor stitch. This prevents slipping while you sew. If you need 2 working ends, double the thread and tie or secure as needed for your technique. If the thread snags while pulling, stop, trim the tip cleanly and re-angle it, or swap to a firmer threader. Repeating the smooth pull usually fixes the issue quickly without damaging the needle or thread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.